Guys, welcome to our chess puzzle, and today we will be learning about a tactic called X-ray attack. It is an attack where a piece indirectly controls a square from the other side of an intervening piece. So focus your attention on this one. As you can see, the bishop is protected by this rook, but once this will be captured, this rook capture this rook, and it's already ahead of a ahead in material. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye everyone. Subscribe and ring the bell so that you could get the latest videos of Sir Parts online.